There's a lot of information out there on this topic, but it can be difficult to know where to start or what steps you should take next. That's why I've made this short guide that will get you started so your loved ones have everything they need at their fingertips. This video is not sponsored by any of these companies. It is merely a combination of my research. Without further ado, and in no particular order, Yeti Tablet is an assistive technology that improves the well-being of elderly and people with disabilities by giving them access to apps. It is a large interactive display with an Android operating system and apps to reduce social isolation, facilitate neuro-rehabilitation, and entertain the users. They're used by care organizations to provide cognitive, physical, and recreational therapy to their clients. Their Android operating system is easier to use for people with reduced motor skills or poor vision. XRHealth is the virtual treatment rooms of the metaverse. The virtual clinics empower patients to receive care anytime, anywhere, using XR technology, which is extended reality technology. What is the metaverse, you might ask? The metaverse is a virtual environment accessed by virtual reality, or VR, augmented reality, or AR, or mixed reality technology. What started as a gaming platform has now opened doors for fun-filled exercises that make the best tools from physical therapy, cognitive behavioral psychology, and computer games to deliver immersive, playful exercises directly to you at home. They've been featured in Time Magazine, BBC, CNET, Dell Technology, and Forbes, providing a comprehensive therapeutic care solution for patients to receive treatment from the comfort of their own homes. Their immersive virtual reality applications include real and virtual environments, games, and exercises that treat various motor, cognitive, and physical symptoms. They specialize in physical therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral health management, pain management, Parkinson's, ADHD, memory and cognitive training, post-COVID-19 rehabilitation, support groups, and more. Selfit is a digital therapy and engagement layer for 1 billion aging people around the world. Their smart intervention system conducts ongoing patient assessments and monitoring and lays out a tailor-made therapy program. They help promote connected health through their Internet of Things solutions that make health more connected. Therapists, patients, and families can now be all together on the same page. Selfit was built on the principles of neuroplasticity and motor learning theories. Translating these principles into clinical practice promotes biological changes in the brain's motor structures, enhances recovery, and can delay onset of common disorders. Their patented technology applies machine learning algorithms to predict and optimize health outcomes for multiple conditions. Wizecare provides patients access to better care, acting as a touchstone of rehabilitative medicine. Their mission is to improve clinical outcomes and to shorten recovery times. They are providing clinicians access to accurate diagnostics and predictive analytics tools, generating the best care pathways for patients, bringing a standard of care for payers, and revolutionizing the rehabilitation practice for all stakeholders. They were part of a case study which evaluated the effects of telerehabilitation on mobility in people after hip surgery. The results were that participants in the Wizecare group improved significantly in 5 out of 6 mobility outcome measures. Restore brings rehabilitation into the 21st century, utilizing cutting-edge tools such as motion tracking, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to empower therapists as they work to improve patient outcomes in physical, occupational, and speech therapy by promoting increased repetition and engagement. Designed and built by therapists to help reinforce motor and cognitive skills based on each patient's needs and progress. Restore maximizes therapy and skill building by turning any computer into a data-driven, cost-effective, engaging, and measurable therapy tool. If you'd like to see more tech for caregivers, be sure to check out the next video in our health series where we discuss new tech solutions for medication management. If you haven't done so yet, leave us a comment below or hit the thumbs up button. This helps our channel more than you know. Thanks for watching.